My bread are ready to go in the oven. Let's put them in the oven. Into the hot oven they go. Good morning, and how is everybody doing? Hi, my name is Hazel, and this is my channel. So, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are talking about all natural cleaning products that you can make right from your kitchen at home, and you don't have to buy those expensive cleaning products that cost you money and is filled with loads of chemicals, which is not good for the body, it's not good for the environment, and it's just not good for everything overall. So I have stopped using chemical products for the past 15 years. I have not bought any chemical related products in the store. I've been making my own. So today I'm going to show you how I make a simple spray for my counter and for anything. You can use it in your bathroom. It's like an all-purpose spray. And I'm just going to give you some variations. So let me show you what I got here. So right here I have some orange peel. I have my finished product here, which is orange peel soaked in white vinegar. Well, actually I have orange peels, lemon peels, clementine peels. What else do I have? I think I have lemon, limes. Yeah, lemon, limes, clementines, and orange. Yes, this is what is in here. So these are all the peels. So whenever I eat a fruit, I just stick it in here. And you want to use a cover that is plastic, or else it will rust if you use the regular metal cover. So always use plastic for that. And this just stays on my counter, and I just keep adding fruit skins into it. And you can dry your skins also if you want to save it for later. Like if you've eaten a lot of fruits and you don't have enough space like to do a big jar, you can dry your fruit. Like this one I actually eat this morning, so it's pretty fresh. So I'm gonna I have a nail close to the window, and I just hang it up there for it to dry. These ones are dried ones, and you can also put them in vinegar to soak. And then once you soak it like this and you strain it out, you'll have a product. I just hit myself with the thing. You'll have a product that look like this, and you can just spray the air if you want as an air freshener. You know what I mean? Or you can spray it on your counter, okay? Because this has multi-purposes, right? You can use it as an air freshener, a bed freshener. You can use it as a spray for your counter, for your bathrooms to clean and stuff like that. It has many functions. And this smells really, really nice. And why and how it smells like this? Because I put essential oils in it. Use any essential oil of your choice that you're not allergic to, and one that's reasonable price, because you know essential oils are very expensive, and sometimes if you put one drop or something in your product, the scent goes away quickly. So use an essential oil that smells good, and you can put as much as you like. All right, so that's just a breakdown of what we're going to be doing. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bigger bottle because I need a big bottle, because this one is for freshening like the bed and rooms upstairs, and then this one is for downstairs, for the bathrooms downstairs, you know, clean up the tables, whatever. So I need a lot. So the first thing you're gonna need is some distilled water. Why are you using distilled water? Because distilled water is pure, and you don't have to worry about, you know, things going bad, things spoiling. So the first thing I do is I use distilled water. Funnel, pour my distilled water. Distilled water is pretty cheap. I usually buy 12 of them. Sometimes 36. Can we drink distilled water? Distilled water is very good for the body. It removes inorganic things from inside of the body and cleanse out the system. Yeah, doctors doesn't want you to drink distilled water because they want you to come back to them to get pills, okay? But distilled water is very excellent. I know there's a controversy about distilled water. Why do you think they give babies distilled water when they're born? Think about that. Think about that. Anyhow, so I usually put about this amount almost to the top, but not all the way up. All right. So first you want distilled water. Distilled water is pure water, cleansing, and it's gonna prevent your mixture from going bad. Because sometimes people put all kind of stuff in the mixture, and when water makes up with things, it tends to go bad. So just be careful. All right. I'm gonna use one teaspoon of baking soda, okay? Bicarbonate of soda goes in there. Oops. Okay, gotta get it in there. Okay. One teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. This is gonna remove stains. So if you have stains on your counter, this is gonna remove the stain off your counter. So that's what you're using it for. The next thing you want to do is you want to pour this in, and this is your infused lemon citrus peels. Let's pour that in. Explosion, guys. This is what happens. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this was blocked with bicarbonate of soda. And then I tried to pour this in and it was blocked and everything made a mess. But anyways, this is real life, okay? So we're just going to do this again. So let's pour some more because it fell down. I'm not sure the mess. So let's pour some more. So I'm just going to pour some more in. Just like that. Okay? Good? Good. Let me since I made a mess and it smells so good, the bike. Let me tell you all, this is aromatic. This is aromatic. The smell that coming out of my space right here, it's so aromatic because the vinegar mixed with the lemon peel has a super duper amazing smell. So it smells really good. I'm just gonna clean that up. All right. And that made a great big mess, but it's okay. This is real life, guys. All right. So once you pour that in, you have this and your baking soda. It looks like that. It's very fuzzy. I have a label here, so that's why it's like this. But it looks like this. It smells amazing. Next, you want to decide what essential oil you're going to put in it. You don't have to put the essential oil because, I mean, the smell by itself, it smells amazing already. So if you're a person who is allergic to essential oils and stuff, you don't have to put, you can just cover it and it's all ready to go. So me, I like essential oil, so I'm just going to put some lemongrass. I I like to put around 30 drops. I like to put around 30 drops of lemongrass because I find it works really well with a lot in it, and the scent tends to linger longer. So I'm gonna put that. All right. And the next essential oil that I like to use is cinnamon bark essential oil. And because I'm a soap maker, I buy this in bulk, so that's why my bottle is so big. But you can buy a small. They also sell it in this size if you want. But it's cheaper for me to buy it that way. Because it's bulky and I just pour some inside. Okay. Actually, I just pour a big dollop because I like my things to smell like cinnamony. Alright. And now you just cover it. You give it a good shake. Ooh. It's going to be a little bit fizzy. Yeah. It's going to be a bit fizzy because you put baking soda in it. But it's good. It's going to calm down. But this fizziness is going to calm down, so don't worry about it. And then this is how it looks, guys. And then I'm going to write the day I make it, just for my reference. This is not going to go bad because of the vinegar that's inside of it and the essential oils. Plus you use distilled water to formulate that. And you can use this in your bathroom. You can use this on your mattress. Like once a month when you're cleaning your mattress and you just want to air it out and make it smell good, you can put this on your mattress. Because just give it a good shake, okay? And just give your mattress a little mist. It's not going to stain your mattress. Just a couple of mists just for the nice smell. When you clean your mattress, you can clean your bed. You can clean your toilet, your bathroom, and everything using that. You know, sometime in the morning time, you clean your bathroom, you just want to do fast. Chup, 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 chup. Don't put it on your glass, like your mirrors and something, because of the essential oil. It may give your mirror streak. So that was close. My camera, guys, my camera tipped over and I just grabbed it just in time. So as I was saying, don't put that on your mirror when you're cleaning because it's going to leave streaks on your mirror. So the only place it doesn't really work because you have the essential oils is your mirror. So if you don't put essential oils in it, you can use it on your mirror. It does not make streaks. But once you put essential oil, it makes some streaks, okay? So that's basically it, guys. So all I need to do now is go clean my counter. So let's go clean some counters. So that's gonna be the end of the video. But before I close the video, I just want to mention one more thing to you guys. You might be asking, well, what's about if you have wood counters like what I have, like wood countertops, and you want to shine it or something like that? What you can do is you can take out some of this spray and put it in a separate bottle. Then you want to get some olive oil. This is just my infused olive oil with herbs. You just get plain olive oil and just pour the oil inside this, okay? And this is going to give you a nice shine on your wood, but do not put it on any other counters that's not wood. Like my counter on the other side is not a wood counter. So if I mix oil with this and I put it on my counter, it's going to become very slippery and, you know, it's not going to be good. So just have 2 bottles, one to just clean your regular counter, and for your wood counters, you can just add oil to it just when you want to give it a shine. That's basically it. So when I want to give it a shine, I just do that. Or you can just put the oil on the wood like that if you want for a shine. Or you can use Murphy oil if you want, but Murphy oil is expensive, and if you don't have the budget for that, and if you don't want to buy anything outside and you just want to DIY, olive oil is the way to go. All right. And if you can't afford to use olive oil, then use some other cheap oil. I think all oil is oil. Okay. But I just like olive oil. All right. So guys, as always, thank you for watching. Remember to think positive thoughts. You're beautiful. And ciao, ciao. I will see you in the next one.